Hi, Kushi. How are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. You're in a car?
Yes, I'm in a car. I have a very busy day today, and in between my shoot, I wanted to come and join you. How are you?
Good, good. How are you? So,
I'm good. I'm good.
the shooting has already started?
It started like we are not doing like songs and all that, but slowly because it's very scary these days. So we are all the time. Even here also, I'm just to talk to you. I've removed the mask because otherwise you won't be able to hear me properly.
Of course, of course. नहीं, I'm sure. I think mobile,
Exactly.
at least अभी mobile से कोरोना नहीं जा रहा. So you, हाँ.
Exactly. So I got the lunch from you today, and it was
Oh,
amazing. We had a very late lunch. I had to send my driver home. They got lunch for me, and it was amazing. I love that handy thing.
Handi.
Yes, yes, that's amazing. That's amazing. So how do you prepare this?
So we make fresh biryani on every order. So after the
Okay.
customer comes, that handi goes into the oven. So we dum cook fresh for every order, and in the same handi in which it is dum cooked, it's delivered to the customer. So it's fresh, hygienic, and safe.
Yes, that's why. Because I was thinking that how come it is like like how we cook in the house. I mean, there is one vessel and then we serve it to everyone. So, but every pot I have opened, it looks like that is specially prepared, individually. So my mom was asking me that how they make it. Mama, let me. I don't know, Mama. Let me ask him.
No, no, I think that's how. See, we said keep most companies, will make it, in bulk, but we don't believe in it. We believe in making it fresh, dum cooked every time, and
It is
using.
beautiful. It is beautiful the way it looks, and the preparation, and basically it's if it is not looking good, people don't feel like eating. So the best part is when I look at it, I'm like, wow, look at the presentation. I mean, really amazing. I really loved it.
Did you see the arch? We also send arch box, so it's you can reheat or dum the handi with the arch box
Yes.
also.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay. I did not see it because I was out, so I just got the handi. I asked them to get it for me. So, but it was hot enough to eat for me, so it was good. We had a very late lunch. We had it about like 4:30 today.
Uh,
So just had, and then I thought, let me go live with you. So,
and I
how are things with you?
all
How
good
is
up,
work going?
all good. I think see food delivery. So we are in 20 cities now, biryani by kilo. So Touchwood, I think food delivery because people know we are a big enough company and we are taking a lot of safety precautions, and it's all made fresh. So people are, I think, ordering quite a bit.
I think people understood this, with the period of time that see the corona's precaution is different. Like suppose even if someone has it, for example, if someone has it, it only people only get to know with the time. Like there are days after their days it gets the symptoms, but the main thing important is like companies like yours. I mean, they check the temperature every day and they're cooked and everyone, so it is very safe. So I think audience and people, everyone is very aware these days about how things works and all that. So I'm sure that you should not face any troubles. And biryani kisko nahi pasand hota hai yaar? Biryani, everyone loves biryani. And look at me, I'm so foodie. I have gained 5 kg weight only in the lockdown period because the only happiness, because you are all the time at home, you are not working, you're not going out, you're not doing anything. So food is a source of entertainment for everyone. And at the end of the day, everyone wants to have food. And when it comes to food, first thing comes in mind, my dad especially, he's like, let's have chicken biryani. We are all vegetarian, my family and everyone, like I mean me, my sister, my brother, we are all into vegetarian food. But my dad and my cousin brothers, they love this non-vegetarian food. So they are like chicken biryani. So I'm like, okay, let me call biryani by kilo then.
But I ordered kebabs. We are known for our galotis, korma, firni as well. I think you didn't try.
Yes. I have tried them earlier, but today I have tried only
Okay.
biryani. So
Okay.
maybe next time I'll try for my dad. I'll go for all veg, and my dad will have it.
आप खुशी ओरिजिनली क्या पंजाब से हैं कहाँ वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम
Gee, nahi, everyone thinks I am from Punjab. Maybe it's by my looks, and I'm more on a chubbier side. So I think
आप पंजाबी वीडियोस में आते हैं ना, काफी म्यूजिक वीडियोस में, इसलिए लोग.
जी. I work in Punjab. Basically, my sister is married to a Punjabi, and we have been, like rooted with Punjab from like childhood time. When I was studying that time, also my surrounding was Punjabi. Then my sister fell in love with a Punjabi, and then they are like married now. So they are all like somewhere connected to Punjab, and then I started getting the offers from Punjabi songs and Punjabi videos. So I end up doing Punjabi videos, and I do South Indian cinemas, I do television and all that as well. But then more of the Punjabi inclined, the music and everything. So
Your looks, and I think because you worked in Punjabi, so people might think that you are.
yes.
But you are Punjabi. Oh, Punjabi, aap?
No, I am not. I'm a Gujju.
Oh, you're Guju. Oh.
Yes, I'm a Gujju. I'm a Gujju, but people think I'm Punjabi, but I'm not.
Acha. Normally,
My sister has become a half Punjabi by marrying a Punjabi.
you grew up in where? In Mumbai as only?
No, when I was like kid, that time we were in Gujarat. But then, right after my schooling, I went to London. Then I completed my studies over there, and then now, since then, we are in Mumbai now. And since acting and everything is Mumbai is the hub. But बचपन से ही हम लोग यहाँ मुंबई शिफ्ट हो गए थे.
तो अभी क्या साउथ इंडियन मूवी भी कर रहे हैं आप? मैंने
अभी South Indian cinemas I have done quite a few, but then there are projects which you end up doing the wrong choices and all that happens. So I have taken a break for a while. I don't want to go forward. I will look forward to a better offers and the better work. So after that I will see. But right now only doing the Punjabis, and these days I'm doing more into blogging and commercials. And like since 2020 has made me a full-time blogger, then going on the sets. So 2020 I have been doing much more into blogging and promoting brands and more on the blog side basically. So last 2020 I did not do any project music wise. I did not do any project because it was quite tough for me. It was actually, because I was very scared. Basically we guys can go out and we know that if anything happens, it is not that deadly. It is only risky for the people who are sick or something like that, but otherwise it is not that risky. People recover, everybody recovers, especially young people have good immune system, so they end up fighting with it. But I get scared for my family, I get scared for my parents, like they are old, and then you don't want to take a chance, you don't want to even when your dad has touched 50s or 60s, you don't want to take a risk for your family at all. I can take any risk, I can go out, I can do anything, but I don't want to risk for my family. So I have choose not to do a project 2020. Let the vaccine or anything comes out, or maybe when things will become little easy, I'll make up my mind and do. But meanwhile 2020, the entire 2020 I have been doing work from home. We've been doing the brands and the collaborations and the blogging part and all that I have been doing. I chose to do that because I can work with my selective known people. Even right now also I'm with my team. I'll make you say hello to them.
Hello.
That's Abhishek. He is my photographer and he creates
Hi.
the videos. He's my in-house
Hi.
guy. Yeah,
Hi.
and that's Rekha.
Hi, Rekha.
Yeah, that's Rekha. Rekha is into my makeup and hair and all that. We have the entire team of ours who creates the content for us.
तो आप पूरी टीम को साथ लेके चलते हो? हाँ, चल
करना ही पड़ेगा. करेंगे कैसे करेंगे वरना.
Makeup kara content. So what kind of content you like to do more? Like it's a blogger also.
Being a blogger, I like creating different kind of content because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा stereotype हो जाता है वरना so I feel that जो भी नया कुछ कर सके, and 2020 has made me more creative because अब करने को कुछ नहीं था तो दिमाग बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा था उस वक्त कि अब नया क्या करें, what is next. So I'm more into makeup, fashion, lifestyle and those kind of different things I try. And अभी तो chilling mode चल रहा है. बस content wise तो new which we keep finding it. If you'll go and check the page, you will understand what kind of content I create. It's hard to describe.
But more fashion and lifestyle, like you're saying.
More
right?
fashion and lifestyle. Yeah. More fashion and lifestyle.
And so are you a foodie also? आपको किस तरह का खाना पसंद?
Look at me. very foodie. very foodie. Food is my first entertainment. Every 3 hours, I keep on looking at myself. And 3-4 hours हो गए हैं, and then I'm looking at everyone in my surrounding also. Guys, तुम लोग को भूख लग रही है क्या? And then why everybody loved today's lunch is because of you guys.
So did the team also try the biryani by kilo food?
Everyone, yeah, yes, you have sent a lot. You have sent a lot today. So everybody loved it, and Abhishek loved the chicken one. What was that, Abhishek? Yours was
Malamal chicken, or I think boneless chicken.
Malabar. Okay, so what's your hero? This.
So I like Lucknowi mutton biryani. So we have Hyderabadi biryani, which you tried. We have Lucknowi also and Calcutta. So Lucknowi is very flavorsome, gentle, and I am more a mutton person. So Lucknowi mutton is my favorite.
You looking quite fit. I am looking heavier than you.
But you are much more good looking, right? So it doesn't matter.
Thank you. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. But you're looking quite fit. So are you eating biryani every day?
But I eat every week. I eat.
Oh, okay. But लेकिन in-house हो जाता होगा तो थोड़ा फर्क भी पड़ता होगा ना. So how did you found this? I mean, the whole idea and how you wanted to start this biryani thing. So what made you do this? I mean,
it's very interesting. I'll tell you very briefly. I am an engineer from IIT. Then I did my masters from US. So
the way you talk.
So I have been in IT business for a long time. Then I was in private equity. So I was investing in a lot of consumer companies. And I was in Singapore. So
okay.
I think India की chain क्यों नहीं है? Food chain. जैसे बाकी सब McDonald's है, Pizza Hut है. तो India, I think category which relies, we can take all over India and world is biryani. Biryani is delivery friendly. And it can be, there's no leader in the world. बर्गर में है या मान लो डोमिनोज पिज्जा में है, इसमें कोई लीडर नहीं है और किसी के पास स्केल नहीं है. जो बॉम्बे में कर रहा है तो बॉम्बे ही कर रहा है, या हैदराबाद कर रहा है तो हैदराबाद ही. तो वी आर 20 cities now. ठीक है, the world we are already after lockdown talking to a lot of other companies. So we are the only company who make it fresh for every order. So I think this is something scaled. So ये करके finance करके.
But but it's an excellent idea, because when I go Delhi also, that time also I end up eating. My boyfriend really likes this one. So he keeps saying, let's order this chicken biryani, and then I like spicy food. So I end up eating the spicy biryanis, I like really spicy food. I like mirchi. Yeah. So, and then, my family people, they like little dilute one. My sister eats sort of medium taste. So everyone has a different taste. So what we do is we end up going to biryani by kilo, and then we end up ordering the different ones. Whoever wants to eat whatever flavor, So that's how it goes.
और आपके घर में गुजराती धेपला वगैरह बनता है कि नहीं? धेपला
बनता है. अभी लॉकडाउन में तो सिर्फ फूड बने जा रहा है, और मैंने अब मम्मी को बोला है कि मम्मा प्लीज मुझे बख्श दो, अब थोड़े दिन मुझे डाइट करने दो, and then let me get back to work, because camera does not leave you, like I have a tendency to put on otherwise if I don't take care, and especially I'm very foodie, so if I am someone who can't resist food and the spices and delicacies and all that, so thoda tough hai mere liye, but abhi I have to be back to. The more problem is that the gyms are closed, so that is the major issue.
But I think not everyone has to be size 0 or 1. I think sabki body type.
I definitely believe that. I break the stereotype totally. And I think I'm loved by the people the way I assume that I'm loved by people like this only, and I think that makes me different from the crowd. I think that makes me stand out from the crowd, because every other person is like on the skinnier side when it comes to a camera or the industry, and I don't gain too much. I keep it in a shape, but on a little heavier side I am. So
you're using wrong. I think everyone is the way, and you look very fit. You look very healthy, very good looking.
No, I compared to what the camera should be. What I mean is that I don't go out of the shape, but like suppose if you see generally the girls are like 50 kg, and I'm 60 kg. So it's like on I maintain the shape, but I am on a chubbier side. That's what I mean. And being a foodie also, तो resist नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I end up eating biryanis. You guys are sending too much biryanis. I'm telling you.
No, but I think they're all body types and shapes. So I think
Yes, definitely.
be very good looking. So I think you should be not
Correct.
apologetic.
I am not. I'm very happy. I break the stereotype. I'm definitely not, because it's all about your confidence. It's all about who you are, how you carry yourself. And I think I am very good for my own camera. I work with my own team, so I don't generally face any kind of issues or, as such, some kind of problems or something. So completely fine. When you work with your own team, you exactly know how you want to present yourself, how things works for you. And there are a lot of things, you always should have a creative team for yourself, which can lead to better content and better stories. I mean, you can make it for yourself.
No, and
So I'm
finally it is about creativity and energy, and you have such a positive energy. I think that's what matters.
I'm a power punch. I am full time active. Abhi aaj subah 8 o'clock se we started the day, and then 1 o'clock I fell asleep. 1 o'clock I fell asleep in the car itself, and then I thought, okay, let's get up and let's start now. So since then we are doing it now till 7 o'clock, till the light is there. I came in between to talk to you. So I thought, let me have a word with you, and then once I will start again, and when daylight will go off, we are done.
और आपका क्रिएटिव कंटेंट कौन डिसाइड करता है? अभिषेक करता है, रेखा करती है, आप करते हो, कौन करता है?
Rekha does my all makeup look. Rekha decides about my looks. Rekha decides about my looks, that how which look we are going to create today, or which costumes we are going to create today. All that Rekha does, and there are few other members also who does, like, for the photographer also I have few photographers. For the videographer also I have few of them, because one person will get tired otherwise, so they need a little bit of post work and pre work and after work things to be taken care. So that's how we goes. But Abhishek does a lot of research he does. I mean, he takes my heart stress away, and he does दीदी ये कर लेते हैं, दीदी वो कर लेते हैं, अब मैंने ये नया निकाला हुआ है, आप इसको चेक करो, आप उसको चेक करो, and then every day he's coming up with the ideas. So he's like a baby bro in the house.
मुझे भी लाइफ में एक अभिषेक और एक रेखा चाहिए, मेरे को भी लाइफ
very true. So are you guys, but I'm sorry, I am not sending them.
not them.
they are really they are really much needed for me right now. Lockdown तो वरना मैं survive ही नहीं कर पाती इनके बगैर. Because see, we should know who are we working with right now, क्योंकि मुझे भी ये पता होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि they are also in house only. They are also not going anywhere and not in touch with lot of people. I get scared with people who are roaming around so much and who are not bothered. They are wearing the mask and going here and there, and all that is okay, but it is still scary. I mean, I want to I prefer to work with people who I know they are house arrested sort of people, only in my own surrounding. They are traveling by their own cars and coming to me, with all safe. Because as I said, I'm not worried about myself. I'm worried about my family.
I think teams,
and they are also very healthy. My dad is very fit. My mom is very fit. They are all, into gymming, and they are all. We have this, small mini gym organized in our house. So what we do is that everyone does a treadmill and does a little bit of weights, and we have a nice building surrounding, wherein we have a joggers area and all that. So people end up using all that, but फिर भी तुम्हें parents के लिए हमेशा डर लगता ही है. So
Gujju families are quite modern, especially in Mumbai, I think. Oh, Gujju, I saw your address in delivery. Versova ki side hai aap, right?
No, mine is in Goregaon West. Basically, it is Andheri, nearby Andheri, but it's on the link road itself. So, like, I'm 10 minutes away from Lokhandwala.
Oh, sorry. You are in Goregaon West, right? But काफी Gujjus हैं Bombay में, right? The crowd काफी है.
Very much.
Gujjus
are everywhere. Gujjus are everywhere. Look at our Modi ji.
How many languages can you speak? You can speak Gujju, Punjabi, Tamil, Kannada, kya?
Yes, I speak a little bit of Kannada. Tamil is a tough one for me. I have done a film in Tamil, but Tamil is a little tough one for me. And Gujju I talk Hindi, I talk English, and I talk little Marwadi, because Rekha is Marwadi. She taught me. So
मारवाड़ी में बोलते हो आप?
and I keep and Abhishek taught me Haryanvi. He is Haryanvi.
Oh,
So
really?
little. I'm not very fluent with the other language, but Hindi, English, Gujarati, Punjabi, these are I'm quite fluent with because there are more in my surrounding and I end up. So Kannada I have learned quite a good one. So thoda.
काफी कॉस्मोपॉलिटन हो गया, मारवाड़ी, हरियाणा, गुजरात, कन्नड़ा, पंजाबी.
Because he teaches me Haryanvi and she teaches me Marwadi because they are all the time around me. And my boyfriend is also a Haryanvi, so he
Oh,
also teaches me, like how to pronounce those particular words. और बहुत मजा आता है मुझे music सुनने भी. There are some hit songs which I really like it, which has a touch of Punjab only. So मजा आता है मुझे वो सुनने.
more Punjabi songs you like or Haryanvi songs you like?
Both. I like both.
Both. तो पंजाबी
I like
आपके which do you sing also a bit?
My father sings very good. I sing, but I'm not very good. I'm okay.
But पंजाबी और बाकी क्या कंटेंट आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? Who are your favorite actors? हिंदी में या बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड?
हिंदी में फेवरेट एक्टर में आई लाइक रणबीर कपूर. आई थिंक ही इज एक्सीलेंट. आई थिंक आई लव्ड हिज रॉकस्टार. मुझे अभी तक के कोई मतलब और कोई परफॉर्मेंस लाइक अनबीटेबल लगती है कंपेयर टू दैट फिल्म. एंड देन आई लाइक द लेटेस्ट वन व्हिच ही डिड फॉर संजय दत्त का जो बायोग्राफी का उन्होंने बनाया था. हाँ एग्जैक्टली संजू जो बनाया था. दैट इज ऑल्सो एक्सीलेंट. आई थिंक ही इज एक्सीलेंट एक्टर में. आई थिंक ही इज समवन आई कैन लुक अप टू. Like really, look up to watching the movies and all that. He's excellent. And actress में मेरा बार मुझे कभी कोई अच्छी लगती है, कभी कोई अच्छी लगती है. कोई मुझे लगता है कि यार इसकी आईज बहुत अच्छी है, लगता है यार इसके हेयर बहुत अच्छे हैं. So girls are always like that. Girls look up to the other girls, how they dress, how they.
आपको रणबीर कपूर की तो एक्टिंग अच्छी लग रही है, लड़कियों की आईज और ये लड़कियों की भी एक्टिंग देख लो आप.
लड़कियों में की भी देखती हूँ. I like Alia Bhatt has performed quite well in a lot of films and all that. Deepika Padukone does well. But what I mean is that लड़कियाँ जल्दी बाकी लड़कियों को फटाफट admire नहीं करती. They pick up good things from everyone. So it's like that. It's very hard to name one. So it's like that, huh? And I keep on listening to the Punjabi music. I keep on listening to Haryanvi songs and Punjabi songs. I like very peppy numbers. Depends on my mood. Every time, sometimes you have a different mood. Sometimes you have different moods. So it goes on my mood. That which songs are, on the background. It decides my mood.
अभिषेक आपके मूड के हिसाब से गाना चेंज कर देता है.
अभिषेक definitely change करता है. अभिषेक. Abhishek is all the time. Abhishek is either playing the camera, either making the reels, either making the content, either making the videos all the time. In my sets also is with me whenever I'm doing any song or any other work also we are doing. That time also I take him along. So he clicks the, the BTS and all the other work and all that. So in-house, they are too much in-house with me.
पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स आपको कौन से पसंद है? बताइए कुछ एक आध बताइए बीच पर.
अभी मेरा करंट फेवरेट है एक जेस मानक का, एक है येस और नो. दैट इज माय करंट फेवरेट. एंड देयर इज वन मोर सॉन्ग तेरे नालो झलिए हसीन कोई ना. आई डोंट नो हु इज द सिंगर. आई थिंक इट्स अ न्यू सिंगर. सो वी आर लाइक hooked up to these two. And then there is cute smile pe kinna mardi something. There is one song which is trending so much. So anything which is trending so much, I keep on listening them. I cannot listen one song for a longer period of time. Even if it is my own song also, I cannot hear it for a longer period of time. I need change. I need continuously, it has to change. I mean, because otherwise थोड़े दिन सुनूंगी और एक किसी सॉन्ग पे मेरी गरारी फंस जाएगी. थोड़े दिन तक उसे सुनती रहूंगी. And then उसको सालों तक नहीं सुनूंगी. So it is always, changing.
And
so you tell me how is your work going? You tell me how the surrounding, and how the people are people taking the deliveries when the hotels are going to start. Are you coming up with anything in my surrounding?
So you are in Goregaon. So we have five outlets in Mumbai: Khar, Malad, Chembur, Andheri, and now we opened in Thane as well last week. So Thane
Okay.
also, now we are looking at Lower Parel and Vashi also to open up. So
Okay.
we have 4 outlets, and I think in a way, see, look, dining में नहीं जा रहे, but delivery people are ordering quite a bit, especially brands which are big enough where people can trust कि भाई ये लोग कायदे से करते हैं. Especially biryani by kilo people know there are 1,000
Yeah,
people.
yeah, yeah. Everybody knows. I think everyone knows. Yeah, yeah.
तो उसमें ना
You have really worked hard on this, and I think it is much appreciable. And the hard work is reflecting. It shows that the person has really put in the effort. By the presentation you guys do, the flavor is very good. Even the rice which is been क्या बोलते हैं उसको वो quality.
तो हमारा जो राइस है, I'll tell you, it is a premium basmati which is 2 years natural aged. अगर आप बाजार में तो एटलीस्ट 200 रुपए किलो का. तो नॉर्मल वी यूज वेरी हाई क्वालिटी राइस, वेरी हाई क्वालिटी मीट, एंड स्पाइसेस व्हिच आर सोर्स्ड ओनली फ्रॉम केरला. तो बहुत अच्छे इंग्रेडिएंट्स फ्रेश बनाते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट शोस अप टू पीपल. बहुत ऑथेंटिक.
Yes, it looks when we eat also there is always a मतलब वो पता चलता है गुड क्वालिटी होती है ना, वो समझ में आती है. This is a good one, refined,
Finnies are very famous, Galati is very famous, so I think people really love it. I think.
So आपको क्या लगता है रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह कब खुलेंगे, और फिर when we'll have walk-in, in बिरयानी बाय किलो?
So I think नहीं खुले, पर आज जैसे बिरयानी बाय किलो के हमारे रेस्टोरेंट्स दिल्ली में, कनॉट प्लेस में, जयपुर में, चंडीगढ़, मोहाली, जलंधर, काफी जगह खुल गए हैं. कानपुर में काफी जगह खुल गए हैं. महाराष्ट्र में बिकॉज केसेस ज्यादा नहीं खुले, एंड विद सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. एंड
दिल्ली में यू हैव दिस ना वॉक-इन वन?
हाँ, दिल्ली में भी इवन कनॉट प्लेस वन, डाइन इन वन. तो वहां पे भी लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस, सब कुछ यूवी सैनिटाइज होता है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, एवरीथिंग व्हिच इज पॉसिबल.
बट आई थिंक पता नहीं कोरोना का तो कब सॉल्यूशन होगा, आई डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक यू शुड कम अप इन दिल्ली and Bombay, both the places. Like more Delhi mein I wanted to come in Janakpuri and the surroundings so that I can go there. I go there quite often, and I want you guys to start here in Bombay. Andheri and Goregaon.
नहीं, बॉम्बे में अंधेरी है, मलाड है, खार है, पवई है.
Like in my surrounding, come up with the more places. I mean, to dine in. I mean,
we will. इंशाल्लाह आपने कहा इतने प्यार से, और आई थिंक वी आर ग्रोइंग क्वाइट वेल. आई थिंक. और बताइए, आप तो पंजाब में आप सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर है क्या? बिकॉज ऑफ योर म्यूजिक वीडियोस, इज देयर दैट स्टेट यू आर मोस्ट पॉपुलर?
नहीं, मैं अपनी तारीफ खुद नहीं करना चाहती.
But I think because your videos are more.
Yes. No, definitely it makes the presence stronger. It definitely makes the presence stronger because of the body of work you do, the kind of songs I do, and I think moreover, I don't know how and what went actually right for me, but touch wood, it's been great. Like I get good response from the audience and in surrounding people, and internet has been the biggest source for me being more trending or more being viral, or like that. More of, as I told you, that it's been like almost a year. I'm always more focused into influencing marketing, and then working in that, because by the time I started doing the traveling blogs and all that as well. I did my travel blog for Phuket.
Oh wow!
There are few hotels which I have promoted over there, and I was in collaboration with them. So last I did that, and then I was planning to go ahead with the other parts and other area of like internationally and even in India I wanted to plan, but तभी तक ऑलरेडी कोरोना को लेके बहुत ज्यादा डर होने लग गया था. When I came back, lot of people, when I tried to speak to them, they were all saying international market में that there is something wrong, and all this was happening. I think the circulation was on internationally that time, and जब मुझे लगा था कि चलो let's start in 2020 because it was end of the year that time. So, and I think we did a trip in October or something. I don't remember exactly, but last year I'm talking about. So before I start doing that, all this has happened, and 2020 has not worked for anyone. So we thought that rather than sitting and not doing anything, let's start with the influencing, and let's start with the, because working बंद आपका नहीं होना चाहिए. You should not put a full stop to your work, because if you are not active, everything goes down and dull, and everybody needs to. I am someone who needs to look up to something every day when I get up in the morning. I have to look up to something. It has to have something to go ahead for. I cannot sit idle and do nothing and chill and relax, because that is not fun for me otherwise. If I work 6 days and then the 7th day, if I am, chilling out, or the weekends I'm chilling out, then I will feel happy. But every day I'm chilling out and not doing anything, that is, that I don't enjoy that. With all the luxury given, with all the money given, I would not choose that.
Right. तो खुशी आपका और क्या ड्रीम है? You want to be more a music video person, a actress, a blogger? What is your big dream?
I'm looking forward to good script.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to good script. I want to work with the good directors, good people, and I want to work. Basically, I am getting a lot of offers, which currently what offers I'm getting, I don't wish to do that. That's why I'm not doing. I'm getting a lot of offers from the different web series, the different platform which is running good, but they have more of a bold content. I don't wish to do bold content right now. I don't wish to do right now. I don't want to do it only. I don't wish to do the bold content. I want to do something wherein my any work I do, basically I want that my family should sit with me and watch that.
What's that?
I am a Gujju girl, and we have a lot of draw lines and with things, like I can never, no matter whatever and however outgoing person I become, or we have a very frank environment in the house also, I can sit with my dad and talk about anything I want. But I always want to have that aankhon ka sharam, I don't want to do anything where I cannot I feel uncomfortable in my family environment. That is why I don't wish to do that kind of content. I wish to do a content which makes me feel comfortable when I sit with my parents and watch it. There are lots of offers which I have been getting it, but they are all subject to a bold connection and all that. So that's why I don't prefer to do that. I don't mind doing a daily soap ka bahu, but I don't wish to do a very, those kind of thing which I am not able to face my family, or my brother is watching, or my family is watching. I like to be modern and everything is fine. And I'm not saying that those who are doing it is not right. Everyone has a different priority and the different, things to look up to. Some like bold, some like something else, some like sexy, some like very Indian, some like very ethnic. But I like which my family can do. That is my choice.
No, I think very, very well said, and I think you should be proud that you can stick to what you believe in. I think it's
Yes. My family is strong basically, so I have never had, I never had like people come from outside and then they really have a struggle to look forward to. My family is strong and my background is good, so I never want to go out of the way to make something happen. I will do what is in my comfort zone. I will do what I prefer doing it. I will do which my family can see it. I would like to do something like that always. Even my Instagram or anywhere I'm presented, you will be able to see that this kind of work only I would like to do. So songs I do, the reason behind that is because the Punjabi audience also very, very nice. They make nice stuff. The songs are very peppy and it's very, very good to hear. And also they never make such content which आपको कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि फैमिली के साथ बैठ के आप ये गाने नहीं देख सकते हो. You will always like it, whether it is romance, whether it is anything else, you will always be able to sit with your parents and see it. You won't see such kind of intimacy or any kind of scenes or nothing like that. So that is something, that is why I have been doing those songs. But so far, whatever I am getting these days, I'm not liking it. That's why I'm not doing it.
No, you should stick to your guns, and you have to be, the choices one makes in life define them. So the choices you are making and or the choices you are not making, will define you. What will make you proud going forward. And जो आप चाहो, जो आप
I want to, if I do some, मेरा ऐसा है ना कि अगर बहुत ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट नहीं करोगे, बहुत ज्यादा एडमायर नहीं करोगे, बहुत प्राउड फील नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा, ओके है. बट मुझे कहीं पे भी एम्बैरेसमेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए, या मुझे ये नहीं लगना चाहिए यार ये क्यों कर लिया, मैंने गलती कर ली. मैंने गलतियां की है लाइफ में, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं करी है. ऑलरेडी मैंने रॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट्स करे हैं लाइफ में. बट ये है कि दैट इज अ फेज ऑफ लाइफ, यू एंड अप डूइंग, यू आर न्यू, यू आर लर्निंग, you don't know how the environment works. There are a lot of other things which happens, and that is basically a journey which I have gone through by myself, and then I have realized that what are the mistakes I have done in the past and what I should not do. Why should I do it, and why did I do it? It's like that. So sometimes you regret doing some projects. So it has happened with me, and that is okay. I'm pretty okay with it. I'm never embarrassed about those things or nothing like that. I'm pretty okay. It's a phase of life, and you learn with the time, you learn with the experience. So definitely for me now, there is surely no mistake. Now I'm quite aware about things, how it functions and how it goes around and all that. So there is a lot of awareness. Earlier it was not there, so it happens. So now if you will see me, you will see me in doing songs, whether it is Hindi songs or Punjabi songs, or doing in audience which has been admired by my family or my surrounding. So I'll do something like that, which will
No,
make me feel comfortable in my own environment. So that is why I prefer this one also, influencing one also. That's why I like it, because I can present my content my way. I can do content by myself, and my team can decide what we are going to do, how we are going to present, how we are going to work, how we are going to make it look like. So there is a lot of difference when you work with your own people.
nahi, and I think you're a very strong person, intelligent person, and I think you will get what you want. I think थोड़ा लाइफ में पेशेंस रखेंगे और वो आप रख रहे हैं. I
थैंक
think
यू. बस वो नहीं है, बट आ गया है 2020 के बाद. It
आपका
has been
नाम
hard.
आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपका नाम खुशी बहुत ठीक रखा है. You are. So I think you
Everyone says that.
you want to take any comments on the comments or questions which are coming on screen before we leave, or want to?
Okay, let me read few of them. Hello, ma'am. Please reply. 1 second, please. Hello, Deepansh. Hi. I hope you got my reply. So, what you guys want to ask? So sweet. Thank you, Harshit. So, I want you guys to go and eat this biryani by kilo. First of all, I want to say that, and I'm very grateful to have a live with you. It's a great session which we had, and I was thinking to take a break, and it was an excellent half an hour conversation with you. And I hope to join you guys soon. And thank you guys for lots of love. And my haters, bye bye. You are still watching me and giving me your time. And the people who are loving me, they are really great. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and giving your time. This all to point. How many people are live? Yeah, okay, 250 people almost. So thank you guys for watching and giving your time. Love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Good to talk to you. See you.
Bye.
Bye.